If you're thinking about replacing your siding, if you're thinking about replacing your windows, the best time to do it is now. If you're thinking maybe I should replace my siding, maybe we should do that next year, the question I would have for you is, why are you thinking about that? Are you noticing that your windows are already starting to cost you money as far as energy efficiency? Are you noticing rot, cracking, deterioration on your siding or on your windows? If you are, that's a good indication that they've already failed. So the best time to do that is now. The question is, how can you afford to do it? That might be the reason why you're considering waiting until next year. Well, we have a solution for that: financing. So one of the things to think about with financing is you have a couple of different options. One option that's really popular that a lot of contractors advertise is something like 24 months, no payments, no interest. The only thing to think about when you're looking at a program like that is that those kind of programs actually cost a lot of money to the contractor, and those costs are going to be buried in the cost of your project. Another popular financing program that actually doesn't cost a lot of money is a long-term term loan. So we can come out and help you finance your project with something like a 20-year term loan, up to 20 years to finance the cost of your siding replacement. Let's say you have a $15,000 project, that could cost you maybe $120 a month, just as an example. Of course, this depends on getting approved. It depends on, your personal credit score, but these are some factors to think about when you're considering financing the cost of your home. How do you get qualified for a financing program like this? Right off the bat, we can send you a link. You don't have to give us any personal information, and it's a soft credit pull. That means it doesn't impact your credit, just to see what you get pre-qualified for. Two really popular types of financing that you see is maybe 12 months, no payments, no interest, or just jumping into a long-term term loan. Both of those are great options if you are expecting a windfall of money in the near future. Let's say you're thinking about doing a siding project, but in March you've got a big bonus coming. You don't need to wait till March. You can do it now, do the financing, and pay that financing off in March or April. One of the reasons we recommend homeowners do this is because in October and November, you're going to get this year's costs. By March, guaranteed, siding and window prices will have gone up. That's just a fact of life. It's not something that we have control over. Our costs get increased, so those costs get passed through.